Hey everybody, it's Paula here from the Excel Club and welcome to this week's Excel Curation Corner. In the last few weeks in the Excel Curation Corner, we've looked at great blog posts by Excel authors and Excel content creators that have taught us quite a lot. But this week I am going to focus on some YouTube videos, awesome YouTube videos that I've watched, and it's videos that I've watched in the last month. Now moving forward, I am going to mix things up a little bit between blog posts and videos because we all learn just as much from watching videos as we do from blog posts, and we probably watch videos more. So this week I have 5 Excel videos that I want to share with you, and I think it's something for everybody in here, no matter what your skill level. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or an advanced user. I reckon I have found something in here for you. You'll find a link below this video back to all of the content that I am sharing with you today. So I was hoping to send some BAT rewards to all of the video makers that I share with you today, but it doesn't appear that any of them are registered as a verified creator. If your video is included in this today, I'll put a link below about the BAT Brave browser. Go and take a look, because if you get curated again, I would like to be able to send you some tips directly using the BAT Braver, but that is a separate note. So let me get stuck in now and start sharing some of this really awesome content with you. The first video that I have to share with you today is a video from Excellent Dude. Now this video is focused and targeted at basic and new Excel users. So it's learn the basics of Excel in about 10 minutes, and it goes through the interface, a worksheet, quickly will go through the different ribbons, how to enter data and how to set up your first formula. So if you're really new to Excel, this video is definitely a video that you should watch. It's been put together very well, and again it is by Excellent Dude, so do hop over and show him a little bit of appreciation. Now the next video that I want to share with you today is a video from MrExcel, from Bill himself. So in the last while, Microsoft have released these Wolfram data types. Now I've covered data types, linked data types myself in the past, but I haven't been given access to all of these additional data types that are now available. Only 50% of the people on the beta edition have these at the moment, and Bill is one of these. Now he's produced a number of videos, and this is kind of a follow-on video from other videos he's published during the month on using these data types, and I'm really loving the creativity and the fun that he's actually having with these. So in this video, what he tries to do is guess people's age, and he scrapes the names of people that have left comments on his YouTube channel, and he tries to guess the age using these data types. Now it's just really creative. It is a bit of fun. It is a follow-on from other videos, but I would recommend that you hop over and you take a look at that video. So again, you'll find a link below straight to this video. Now the next video I want to share with you was a presentation that was given by Jeff Lenning at the London Excel Meetup. Now this was an online meetup, and it happens every 2 weeks or so. And this particular video has been recorded and shared, and I was at the meetup myself, and I really found this to be valuable. It kind of takes a step back from all of the madness that's going on with Excel and just really gets purely down to Excel stuff and how you can improve things with your Excel spreadsheets. I've come across countless people that have wanted to improve their spreadsheets to increase the automation, but they know that they need to sit there and spend a day or 2 days doing all of this work. But what Jeff goes through in this video is breaking that down into chunks and not necessarily improving your workbook or your workflow all in one day and in one step, but taking 5 or 10 minutes each time you use that workbook to make one further change until you actually get to the end. And by the end of the time that you've actually saved, you'll have an improved workbook and saved all of this time as you progress through the improvement stage. This was an excellent presentation, and if you have workbooks that you'd like to improve but you're struggling with time, I would definitely recommend that you take a look at this video and this presentation by Jeff. So that was again part of the London meetup. I will drop a link below this video so you can take a look at all of them. The next video I have is on charts and visualizations. Now, this video is from a guy in a YouTube channel called Bald Geek UK. And in this video, you will learn how you can create this type of infographic, a male-female infographic that changes based on different percentages. Now, to do this, a column chart is used, and the column charts are then overlapped with each other, and the columns are replaced using icons. It's a really cool, neat trick. It can be applied using other icons, so definitely worth watching this video from Bald Geek. I enjoyed it very much. And the final video that I have for you today is something a little bit more advanced. It's for people that are using Power Query, that are using Power Pivot and DAX models. It is an advanced DAX modeling video, but it is really good. It's not an advanced DAX modeling, an advanced data modeling video, but there is some DAX, there is some Power Query, and then there's pivot tables. So this video is by Mike from Excel is Fun, which I'm sure most of us know at this stage. Do hop over and check it out. But what Mike does in this video is he sorts a slicer by pivot table values. Now, this is, again, really creative. And the thing with using Power Pivot and using DAX models is the more different examples of ways that you can see things being done, and then it's like a light bulb moment going, oh my God, I didn't think it could do that. And there's hundreds of ways then that you could apply it in your situation. So this is one of those videos where you just have to go and watch it and realize that, wow, that's a really cool thing that you can do with Power Query and with DAX modeling. So do hop over and check it out. So that's it for this week's Excel Curation Corner. Again, I hope to be sending tips via the back browser to Excel content that I'm creating. So if you don't know anything about that, you'll find a link below the video. Do go and find out so I can send on all of the creators some tips. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, I do hope that you will subscribe now and hit that notifications button so you don't miss any more of my videos. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a big thumbs up and share it across your social profiles. Until the next time, take it easy. Goodbye now.